Hey there! Welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy. I'm Izzy, your friendly financial guide, here to break down complex concepts and make them easy to understand. Today, we're diving into the world of credit scores. Now, credit scores may seem intimidating, but they play a crucial role in our financial lives. They reflect our creditworthiness and can impact our ability to get loans, rent an apartment, or even secure a job. So let's demystify credit scores and learn how to make them work for us. First things first, what is a credit score? It's a 3-digit number that summarizes your credit history and predicts your future credit behavior. The most commonly used credit scoring model is the FICO score, ranging from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the better your creditworthiness. Now, here's an interesting fact. Did you know that your payment history contributes the most to your credit score? That's right. Paying your bills on time is crucial for maintaining a good credit score. So, set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Another helpful tip is to keep your credit utilization ratio low. This ratio compares your credit card balances to your credit limits. Aim to keep it below 30% to show lenders that you're responsible with credit. Now let's talk about the impact of credit inquiries. When you apply for new credit, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. So be mindful of how often you apply for credit. Lastly, remember that building a good credit score takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So be patient and consistent with your financial habits. Incorporating these tips into your daily life can help you improve your credit score and open doors to better financial opportunities. Remember, your credit score is not a reflection of your worth as a person. It's just a number that you have the power to control and improve. So let's embrace the challenge of understanding credit scores and use this knowledge to make smarter financial decisions. You've got this. Stay tuned for more Back to Basics Mondays, where we'll continue to empower ourselves with financial literacy. Until next time, take care and keep learning.